Hello friends, welcome to Smart Learning Tube. Today we will write 10 lines on rainy season. Rainy season is the monsoon season which starts in the month of July and lasts till September. Rainy season starts from southern part of India with the onset of southwest monsoon wind. July and August are the rainiest months in the rainy season. Many big festivals like Ganesh Puja, Raksha Bandhan and 15th August fall in rainy season. Rainy season has a very pleasant weather with cool breeze and rain showers. Rainy season is the favorite season of people of all age groups, including kids, adults and elderly people. Rainy season gives relief from intense heat wave after a long period of hot summer. Air quality is improved in the rainy season as the impurities in air get mixed with falling rain. Rainy season is good for vegetation and other flora of the area witnessing the season. Rainy season kind of replenishes the life on earth, providing enough water to go through the next summer. This season inspires creative artists and gives them opportunity to write beautiful narrations like poems, songs and stories. Rainy season is a boon to many tropical countries like India as it boosts our agrarian economy. If you liked the video, then do not forget to share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more such educational videos.